seedless tamarind 200 grams. Simmering after 12 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Turn off heat and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. It's almost nice and cold. Perfect. For the tempering, I'm going to use dry ginger powder, some flax seed, cumin seed, sesame seed, homemade chaat masala, salt, red chilli, black salt. This one is black salt. Grams brown sugar powder and pinch of saffron, flax seed, after a minute cumin seed, red chilli. Make sure the heat is very slow. Salt, sundh, dry ginger powder, chaat masala, saffron and black pepper, black salt, brown sugar, or you can use jaggery. Almost 400 grams brown sugar or jaggery. Again, I'm gonna simmer it for 30 minutes until it reduces to the half. I'm going to add sesame seed. You turn off heat. Awesome. Wow. Let it cool down, then we use as a sauce with any snacks. Then you can keep in the fridge at least 1 month. Guys, I'm making here vegetable pakoda. It's quick and easy. Chaat masala, folks, thank you so much for taking your time to watch. Please subscribe to my channel if you really like it.